A unique feature of your ID is ID Light, an intelligent lighting concept that communicates key messages and prompts. When you unlock the vehicle, the ID light flashes green. Once in, it offers a welcome animation. It signals incoming phone calls, responds to voice activation commands,
"What can I do for you?"
prompts you for upcoming navigation commands, and indicates front assist braking prompts to alert you to a potential collision. As your vehicle is charging, ID Light animates to show charging in progress and how much the vehicle is charged. When your ID is fully charged, ID Light glows steady green. To change settings, tap the vehicle icon. Then Interior. Select ID Light. Activate or deactivate features as desired. Use the slider to increase or decrease brightness, and tap the home button to exit. When it's time to leave your vehicle, a goodbye animation sends you on your way, and a red flash confirms when your vehicle is locked. Intelligent, intuitive. That's ID Light.